Claypot.
Here is our clay pot rice.
Yay!
What? What are we doing now? It's very dangerous.
Oh, so hot, super hot. Alright. Do you introduce it? I'll do it.
Alright.
That's dangerous.
Oh, here we go. Ready?
Yes, are you starting?
Do it.
That's a Claypot. Wow.
Ta-da! Clay pot rice. This one has chicken and octopus.
One of the
Right.
best.
Well, aren't we supposed to pour soy sauce in it or something? Oh, here.
Yes.
So what you're supposed to do? What's in here?
This one.
What's this one?
I don't know.
Oh, that's vinegar for the. Oh, that's not
soy
it.
sauce. Put on sauce.
All right, you're supposed to put this soy sauce in there. Oh, you put in a spoon first, is it?
Oh, well, just pour it. Yay!
Portion control. Is that enough?
Should be.
And now what do we do? Put the lid back on.
No, you can. That's good Claypot rice. Got the crispy brown.
Yeah, look at this. They burn the inside
Yeah.
and make it
So
crunchy.
that's
It's
the
really
way to
nice.
eat.
Probably causes cancer, but you won't know for like 10 years.
And mix it well with the soy sauce and the crispy brown.
So yeah, this rice is crunchy. All this rice on the outside that's touching the clay pot is all crunchy. This is how they used to make rice before we invented technology.
Wow, this is how it works.
Now we use like pressure cookers and rice cookers. But before that stuff, they had to do it this way.
Yeah, I'd say so. A grandma style of making.
Yeah, that's why this place is so popular, because like there's only like 3 people left in the world that know how to operate this old technology. See all this crunchy stuff? That's the
Give it
That's
a
the
taste.
specialty of this dish. The crunchy rice. It's really nice. One of my favorites. Alright, so you got to mix it, right?
Yeah, you can do it.
And then... Well, if I put this in now, it's going to burn me and I'm going to scream. But let's do it carefully. Hey, did we get baho
No,
gate?
no, not much. My order.
We didn't get the chicken.
No, we didn't.
But it looks nice. Anyway, let's try this crunchy rice. See that? It's like eating chips. If chips were made of rice and had soy sauce in it. You try. Not this one. Get your own.
Where is it? Oh, this one. Let me try.
Out of 10, how crunchy is it?
9.
That's pretty crunchy. I'd say also 9. The only thing more crunchy is my favorite Sil Mei Fan pork. That's the crunchiest thing in the universe. Well, I only have one hand, that's why I can't swap utensils. Oh, now. And there's like dangly things as well. What are they? Dangly things.
Oh, spouts. Bean spouts. How crunchy is it?
Still pretty crunchy. One of the techniques is make sure you air it. Otherwise, if you put the lid on, it's gonna steam and get very soggy. So once the lid goes off, keep it off if you don't want it to be soggy.
Do you know how they make Claypot rice?
Oh yeah, I do. I even have a clay pot at home. But I don't make it as good.
It's getting burned all the way.
See all this blackness? That's because of all the carbon from the fire. They use like proper fire. But actually, they probably use a gas hob because you know we are in the future right now. So what's the best here so far? Claypot rice, oyster omelette, which you can see we've eaten most of. So that's kind of an indication of what's the best tasting. However, they give you more of that, and like if something comes earlier, then you probably eat more of it. So it's kind of not a good metric to use, if you know what I mean. Anyway, what's the best here?
Oyster cake.
Oyster cake, yeah. That's a specialty. And $30 Heineken. Who needs to go to a pub? Just come here and drink. Why are we drinking Heineken? We should drink Hong Kong beer or at least China beer or something.
I know you ordered.
Well, this is special Heineken that's made in Asia, actually. Yeah, this is special Heineken made in Brujiaren. On a Guangzhou, Snow Brewery, Guangzhou, 66 Punan Road, Yubiu Industrial Park, Guangzhou. So they have a special Heineken made in China. So is it really Heineken? I guess. It says it's made. Tastes like Heineken. Because you know what gives beer its special flavor is the bacteria and stuff. And then some company tried to move their factory, and the beer didn't taste the same until they went and scraped off the bacteria off the ceiling of the old factory and put it into the new factory, and then it tasted the same. Anyway, Chinese Heineken. It's cheaper. Tastes almost the same.
Still good.
Alright, well, we're going to enjoy the rest of this meal. Thanks for watching us, and don't forget, if you want to find the place, go to part 2. I've got 360 video directions of how to get here. And the place is called Hingki Restaurant. In Chinese, what's it called?
Hingei. Hingei Chaigun.
And it's on 17 or 15 to 19 Temple Street. Is that right?
Yeah, that's probably true.
My memory's a bit bad, I forgot. But if you go to one of the other videos, we actually confirmed it on the menu. Yeah. Alright, I better shut up and eat now. Alright, that's the end of this series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
No.
Like.
No!
Unlike.
Thumbs down, unsubscribe, and leave a nasty comment. On the Juice, don't watch Juice's Very Boring Video Diary YouTube channel, one of the worst YouTube channels in the whole of YouTube. Almost as bad as my other channels.